Hello everyone. Today's webinar will cover the Leap Clause Library. To everyone who has attended previous webinars, welcome back. For newcomers, we're glad you could join us. We develop these webinars with our practice management advisors who work closely with Leap users to provide best practices so law firms get the most out of every feature in Leap. A few quick notes before we begin. This webinar will run for approximately 20 minutes in listen-only mode. Computer audio is the only listening option. Phone audio is not available for this presentation. This webinar is offered for training and educational purposes and is not legal advice. We will respond to common questions towards the end of the webinar. Full instructions for all that is discussed today can be found on the Leap Help Center. And as always, please contact consultants at leap.us if you require more advanced training tailored to your needs. The topics we will cover today include knowledge management, KM at your firm, create a new clause, and insert a clause. First, let's consider the term knowledge management. As you can see, knowledge management is just one part of legal operations, or legal ops, but admittedly, it is a major part. IBM provides a helpful definition. Knowledge management, or KM, is the process of identifying, organizing, storing, and disseminating information within an organization. What if a firm is not intentional about KM? Well, when knowledge is not easily accessible within an organization, it can be incredibly costly to a business as valuable time is spent seeking out relevant information versus completing outcome-focused tasks. In other words, you spend time looking for your work instead of doing it. But let's think more about knowledge management at your law firm. First and foremost, knowledge management concerns your legal content, meaning your fee agreements, contracts, letters, pleadings, disclaimers, and other documents where you put your clauses. But remember our definition. It's not just about the content, but about a process of identifying, organizing, storing, maintaining, and disseminating that content. How do you do this? Well, here are some general high-level steps. First, decide to have one version of your information. This is doable, but you have to make it happen. This means get rid of particularity as much as possible. Have one engagement letter for every matter type, and then you have everyone in your firm use that one engagement letter. Related to that, second, keep that one version of your information in a central cloud-based location. Why? So everyone can access it from anywhere at any time. The result, you provide legal services which are always efficient, good quality, and consistent. Leap offers many knowledge management tools to customize and automate your processes and legal content, including recurring matters, Leap forms, firm templates, document types, and the newest tool, the Leap Clause Library, which will be the focus of today's webinar. Before we go on, visit the Leap Help Center article titled Clause Library for step-by-step instructions for using the Clause Library. So let's jump right in and learn how to create a new clause. Clauses are common phrases used in your legal content. Think of an addendum you often use on a separation agreement, or a set of standard edits you make to every estate plan for a married couple. The Leap Clause Library is where you can create and maintain all of the commonly used phrases and standard edits your firm uses to serve your clients. To begin, open any matter. From Details and Correspondence, select Forms and Templates. This is the Forms and Templates library. Select the jurisdiction for the clause you will create and select the folder corresponding to the matter type where you will save the clause or create a new folder. Then, right-click, mouse over New, and select Word Template. In Select Document Type, choose Blank Document. In Select Recipient, choose Select None. Now you are ready to enter your clause. Find the clause you want to add to Leap. Cut, and then paste it. Clauses, just like Leap forms and firm templates, can make use of the powerful Leap document customization engine. This means you can insert Leap fields, which will automatically pull information from Leap into your documents. To do so, from the Leap ribbon, click the Editing dropdown and select Insert Fields. Then, find the relevant field. Insert it, and add any necessary formatting. When you are done adding fields, go to the Editing drop-down and click Toggle Fields to see that your fields have been added. Toggle Fields again to reveal the information that the fields hold. When your clause is finished, click Save and Close. Give the clause a distinctive name so your team will know how to retrieve it. Finally, since the document is currently a Word document file type, we will need to change it to a Leap clause file type. To do so, find the new document. If your document has not yet appeared, you may need to reload the Forms and Templates library. When the document is visible, right-click, mouse over Change, and mouse over Templates class, and select Clause. The Microsoft Word file type icon will change to a Leap clause file type icon. If the file type icon does not immediately change, you may need to reload the Forms and Templates library. At this point, you know how to add your firm's common phrases to Leap in the form of clauses. Now let's take a look at how to insert a clause into a document. To begin, open any document saved to Leap. This can be any document saved to the correspondence pane, any Leap form, or any firm template. If the document has a Leap for Word pane, complete it. Go to the place in the document where you want the clause to appear. In the Leap ribbon, under Advanced Functions, click Insert Clause. Use a clause created and maintained by a team of legal content designers at Leap, including licensed attorneys, or use one of your firm's clauses. Once the clause is added, continue editing the document. When you finish drafting, click Save and Close to save the document to Leap, or Time Save and Close to save the document to Leap and automatically create a time entry. Make any changes to the entry, then click Save and Close. The document is saved to the correspondence pane, and a new time entry has been entered. The topics we covered today included knowledge management, KM at your firm, create a new clause, and insert a clause. At this time, we would like to answer a few questions and provide a few best practice tips. All right, so the question we received, I opened a Word document and don't know if it's saved to a Leap Matter. How do I know? Okay, this is a really good question. You can confirm a document is saved to Leap in two ways. First, go to the Leap Matter correspondence pane, and if the document is there, it's saved to Leap. Second, when a document is saved to Leap, you will see the Leap ribbon in the Word, Excel, or Outlook document. To confirm the matter where the Word or Excel document is saved, go to Advanced Functions and click Bring to Front. To confirm the matter where an Outlook email is saved, in the Message ribbon, go to the Leap section and check the matter number that is displayed. If you do not see the Leap ribbon in the document or email, then it is not saved to Leap. To save it to Leap, go to the Home ribbon in Word or Excel, or the Message ribbon in Outlook. Find the Leap section and click Save to Matter. Find the matter and click Select. The Leap ribbon should now be visible in the document or email, and the document or email should be visible in the Leap Matter correspondence pane. All right, well, we have reached the end of this month's webinar. Before we go, visit the Leap Help Center to access the following resources at community.leap.us. Check news and announcements for all your updates. If you need to learn how to use a certain feature, please visit the knowledge base for step-by-step training articles. You may also start live chat support for technical issues. And you can always watch training webinars and videos. Join us on the last Thursday of every month at 12:30 p.m. for webinars just like this one. As always, follow hashtag LeapUserInfo on social media for the most up-to-date information on every feature in Leap, including LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. We also welcome you to review Leap. Thank you for joining me, and we look forward to seeing you at our next webinar.